Well, of course I left the tripod in the chapel. I think if we try and prop this up... Oh, it's alright there. I've dropped the knob off on the floor. When I die, there'll be an auction of the contents of my floor. Anyway, we'll sort that out another day. Let's see whether Mr. Chippie's out there. We can change channel to channel 31. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, I'll just plug my extension speaker in.
Yep, roger that. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger, dodger. So if you saw the servicing video to this, straightforward service, new meter lamp, few dry joints, really nice set, 0.2 microvolt sensitivity on receive.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger dodger, I've got a tone control switch.
Roger that, so we're heading up the lane towards the end of it. Just passing the passing place.
Keep it in treble as usual. Roger dodger.
Doggy daycare, about to drop the mic and turn the high beam off.
Roger.
Alright, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger. There we go. That's not unusual.
Roger.
Through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that.
Top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round a scratchy corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round a scratchy corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Fidelity CB2001FM. That is set using Cybernet 002F chassis. I'm using a standard replacement mic and ready to do 3.8 watts over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger, Dodger. And unusually on this chassis, the rotor bleep isn't activated. It's not part of the circuitry.
Alright, there's no switch for it. I'll take it.
Negative, no part inserted, nothing.
Level crossing. Over.
Roger, you're going over Wilford level crossing.
Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Well, I'm at the 5 mile point.
Roger on that. So, I am on the Fidelity 2001FM from 1981 using Cybernet 002F chassis, doing 3.8 watts and drawing 1.38 amps in current. I've got to find a little switch at the back. We'll go to low power. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, low power. There we are on low power. It's now doing 260 milliwatts and drawing 560 milliamps power. We'll go back to full power. And there we are, back at full power, over.
Yep, roger that. No problems on full power, a bit noisy on low power, but I can still tell what you were saying.
Excellent. I think you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Have you got the special price for me there today, please, David?
Yep, 142.9 and 147.7.
Excellent, that works a treat, thanks very much.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear. Going over Rossby Level Crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me there today, please, over?
Yep, 142.9 and 147.7.
Excellent, that worked a treat. Thanks very much.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Yeah, that was lovely. Right, we'll go to our Midland 76900 base station and see what that sounds like on the standard replacement mic.
Tango 21, testing the Midland. Tango 21, testing the Fidelity 2001 into our Midland 76900 base station using the standard replacement mic. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. And as ever, thanks for watching.